Hi everybody, this is Paul at Express POD and this is a video showing you how to create message cards in Chat GPT using the prompt we've provided. You can download the prompt next to this video. It's just to the left, so once you've downloaded it, to get started, open up a new chat in GPT and then copy the prompt. Copy all of it, it's quite a lengthy one, drop it in, press enter, and it should ask you a series of questions. So who is the recipient? For that, we're going to go wife. What is the card title? I'm going to go to the best wife ever. What style would you like? We've got a list of examples here, but you don't have to go with any of these. You can just type in what you feel. So we'll go romantic. What colour scheme would you like? Again, you can add your own colour scheme in here, but I'm going to go with sage green and ivory. What mood should it be? Well, it's for the wife, so we best make it romantic. What typography would you like? I always go with mixed here because it then mixes up the styles. Click enter. Any decorative elements, again, you can put what you need in here. It doesn't have to be one of these. I'm going to go with small roses. Click enter. Now the last bit will say, do you have your own poem or would you like me to create one? You may like creating poems in a separate chat or creating your own. I, for instance, for this video, I'm just going to let GPT create one. So I'm going to put create one for me. So hit enter and it should go away and create the design for me. This takes about a minute, so I'll just put you on pause. So as you can see, that's the design that it's come out for, and that will fit the card perfectly. You've got your text down at the bottom here. You've got a nice balance on it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to download that card and I'm going to open it up in Canva so that I can remove this signature at the bottom here, because in the app, when they're going to personalize it with their name, we need to be uploading a blank card, not one that already says enter your name on it. To be fair, you don't have to open this in Canva. You can use whichever software you use. I tend to use Photoshop, but I'll show you what Canva does anyway. So I'll just download this and I'll open it in Canva for you. So once you've downloaded the design out of chat, when you come into Canva, they've got this new magic layers feature, and this really is magic. It's very impressive. So you need to find that. If you click on it, and then what you want to do is pull your design in, which is here. Just let that upload. And then once it's done, just open the editor. And what this does is it basically scans the design and turns everything into an editable layer. You can resize, change the fonts, edit the text. This really is a pretty impressive tool, to be fair. So it takes a minute to do that, and you can see now it's identified everything, the borders, the roses. So if you wanted to, you know, if they're a bit too close, you can move those, move that one. So you can see you've really got the ability. Now, what you need to do is you need to basically remove this text here because you want a blank card. So quite simply, click on it, click delete, and it's gone. So now you can enter your own text in it when you're setting it up in the app. So really, that's what you've done. Once you've done with that, you want to download that and then resize it to 969 pixels square at 300 dpi. Most people know how to do that, so I'll not do you a video showing you that, but that's the perfect size for uploading into the app. So I'll do another video now showing you how to create a design in the app and create a product using this design. Thank you.